All right, mathematicians, welcome to your word problem of the day, also known as the application problem. You will find this in your blue book on page 41. So if you do not already have your blue book open to the page, then pause the video and do that now. When you are on page 41, you may hit play. All right, moving on. Again, if you are not on the page, hit pause now and make sure you get to page 41 in your blue book. It is an application problem, so we will follow our RDW process. And we have our checklist with us to keep track. If you do not have your checklist in front of you, hit pause now, get your checklist, and then hit play. Okay, so we read the problem, draw and label our work, write a number sentence or equation, and write a word sentence or statement. When we have all four checked off, that's how we know that we've done our best work. So let's check it out. Anna picks 24 flowers. She makes equal bundles of flowers and gives one bundle to each of her 7 friends. She keeps a bundle for herself, too. How many flowers does Anna put in each bundle? All I'm going to do with you today is underline the question that we're answering to help give us a sentence frame for our word statement, okay? So our question, how many flowers does Anna put in each bundle? So our word statement will look like this. Anna put blank flowers in each bundle. Okay, so that's all that we're going to do together today. Now I want you're going to do your very best work on your own. Okay, so like we said, so you're going to do work on your own now. And like we said earlier, you will know you've done your best work when all 4 steps are checked off. Okay? Pause the video now and hit play when you have all 4 steps on your checklist checked off. Okay, so if your checklist has all checks on it, then you are ready to go over the solution for this problem. Okay, if you do not have 4 checks on your checklist, hit pause now and then hit play when you do. All right, so we only went over the question and made a sentence frame together this time, but I'm going to go through the problem again because it's okay to read the problem more than once. In fact, that's what we should do because sometimes you might miss something. Anna picks 24 flowers. She makes equal bundles of flowers and gives one bundle to each of her 7 friends. She keeps a bundle for herself too. How many flowers does Anna put in each bundle? So, anytime we see a number, we know that's an important part of our word problem. So first we have Anna picks 24 flowers. Right? So that's the number that we have total. Because this says she makes equal bundles of flowers. Equal bundles. Bundle is a fancy name for group. That's just a lot of times you'll hear people when they talk about flowers call them bundles, not groups. So she makes equal bundles or groups of flowers and gives one bundle to each of her 7 friends. So she gives one bundle to each of her 7 friends. So 7 friends get a bundle. She keeps a bundle for herself too. That is very important here because the first time I solved this problem, I knew, okay, if we're talking about she made equal groups, we start with 24. She gives one bundle to each of her 7 friends. That tells me we're splitting. We are dividing. So I was like, okay, 24 split into how many groups? And then I was saying 7. Well, I know from just knowing a lot of multiplication facts, because I've been doing it way longer than you have, that 24 divided by 7 does not work. They would not be equal bundles then. So we have to be very careful in this problem, because she makes equal groups and gives a bundle to each of her 7 friends, but Anna keeps one for herself. So there's Anna, and then she had 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's Anna and 7 friends. So there are 8 people getting bundles. There are 8 bundles in this problem. There's 8 equal groups, not 7. That's very important. That's why it's important to read the problem more than once, because I didn't catch it on the first time. So we are going to solve 24 split into 8 equal groups, because we need to know how many in each bundle, how many in one group or bundle. Okay? Okay, so now that we know that there's 24 flowers and we're splitting them into 8 equal groups to find how many go in each group, I'm going to show you the solution here. So you could have drawn out 8 equal groups and split 24 up. Maybe you drew an array. You knew, okay, there's 8 friends, so we're going to have 8 rows, and you did it that way. But when you split 24 into 8 equal groups, you get 3 in each group. So Anna puts 3 flowers in each bundle. Okay? All right, good job with that one today. That one is a challenging problem. Remember, our goal is never that we get everything right in math. Our goal is that we use our brains and we use what we know to take on challenges. Because even if we don't succeed, challenges grow your brain. All right? Way to go, mathematicians. We will continue our work with more challenges today.